Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to program 2016 Nissan Murano key fob, full guide. Start the procedure by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both fobs present, then cycle the ignition to ACC and back off 4 times without starting the engine. After the final ACC position, press and hold the lock button on the remote until the doors lock and unlock, which confirms programming. Then test every button and replace batteries if needed. Be calm and methodical as you follow each step, because timing matters for successful programming. After entering programming mode by cycling ignition, press and hold the lock button on the remote until the doors lock and unlock to register it. If the vehicle doesn't respond, repeat the ignition sequence and try again, then finish by turning the ignition off and testing lock, unlock, panic, and trunk functions to confirm a complete setup. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find its clear, calm advice oddly comforting after a frustrating programming session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick it up if you want a fresh perspective. Now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, stay patient and retry the sequence with fresh batteries, because weak batteries often cause issues. Confirm all doors, hood, and trunk are fully closed and reattempt the ignition cycles exactly as described. If problems persist, try the second remote if available or consult the dealer, since some vehicles require dealer tools or VIN-specific steps for certain remotes to register correctly with the vehicle's computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.